baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
I'm so in love with the colors in here. So this is the color of our bedding, right? It's like a dark taupey color. And then y'all know anytime I am redecorating anything, I pull from other parts of our place. And y'all know this pillow right here, this pillow is from my studio, which I love so much. And then I wasn't using this green pillow, so I decided to put this on my bed. And I just love how these colors look against the comforter in here. It's just so pretty. It screams luxury. Like, it just looks so good. I love this pillow too, by the way. I got this from Home Goods. Both of my pillows are from Home Goods. So good. And then this comforter, I actually found this in TJ Maxx. So yeah, but I just had to show y'all because I'm in here just like loving these colors. So pretty, so warm. I absolutely love it. And then this is my first time having a platform bed, so I've never had to stuff the sides in like this. And I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to my decor. I want everything to just be perfect, and I hate the way that this is folded, but it's the best that I could do. Let me show y'all the other side. Like, this is the other side. This side looks a little bit better, but I usually mess around with this like all day because I could never get it exactly how I want it, and it really works my nerve. Y'all, so I have a few Christmas gifts in here, some of which will be included in a giveaway. I was hoping to record this video and put it out today, but I'm still waiting on, I think, maybe like 3 items. So I have some Christmas gifts for my family, and then 2, how many is it in here? I think 2 gifts that I'm going to give away that I purchased for you guys. So I'm so excited. So I'll have one more video to come out before I'll be gone for the holidays. But I'm so excited about this. So stay tuned. This video should be out Monday. Okay, I do have something that I will go ahead and share with y'all today. Now, one thing that you guys know about me, or y'all should know about me by now. Hold on, because my glasses look a little dirty. But if I have something and it still works well, I'm going to keep it. I don't care how beat up it look. Y'all seen my flat irons. Those flat irons work so good, and they still work. The only thing about it is the front piece came off, but listen, ain't nothing wrong with them flat irons, okay? So I'm gonna keep using them. Same thing with my fan. I've had this fan for years, and I didn't even get that fan brand new. It was actually passed down to me, and I've just had it in the room, and I love that fan. It's like an industrial fan almost, but it's a smaller version of like a big industrial fan. So if y'all know what those big, like a warehouse fan looks like, it's like that, but then it's your regular size fan, if that makes sense. Well, I finally pulled the plug on getting a new fan that fits the aesthetic in my room. So I bought this one first. This is just the smaller version. This is one of those quiet fans, and I use this when I'm doing my videos on my other channel. Love it. I think it's charged. Let's see if I can let y'all hear it. It's not charged. Dang, it dies pretty quick. Let me see something. I just got this fan too. I've only used it once, but it's pretty quiet, and I think it goes up to level 8, and it's dead right now, so I can't show y'all. So I finally pulled the plug on getting a bigger one for the bedroom. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. We'll be seeing it together for the first time. Because like I said, I've had my eyes on these for a while. They were really expensive when they first came out, but they went down. So I think I paid like $75 for this one. So hopefully it gets the job done. I am a fan sleeper. I have to sleep with a fan. No matter how cold it is outside, I need a fan. Got this one from Amazon. Oh. They double boxed it. So let's see. And of course I got it in the black. Come on. Gosh. Let me see. Let me lay this across my lap. My camera's getting ready to die. But yeah, the Walmart video will be out on Monday, and that will be the last video. It is a sponsored video. Alright. So this is how it looks. I don't think I've ever seen one of these like in person. How it looks. It does have, y'all excuse the noise, it does have this little tray right here that you sit it on. Hopefully I can get this done before my camera dies. And it looks like this. Does this turn? Nope. I think it comes with a remote. Yes, it comes with a remote, which I love. So this is the fan that I'll be using. I'm gonna plug it up so we can test it out together. Oh y'all, and we've been watching this show. It's called Late Bloomers, or I don't know how I want to say late bloomers. It's called Later Daters or something like that. It's on Netflix. It's so good. It's basically like older people getting back out there in the dating world. It's really good. Y'all need to check it out. We're on like the first episode, so y'all need to check it out because it's good. Alright, just enough for me to plug it up so I could test it out, and then I'll have Tony put the bottom piece on. Y'all know usually my mirror is behind me, but I didn't want the reflection to mess with the camera. So alright, so it's digital. Turn on. This is on 4. It don't sound that quiet, but I don't really care about that as long as, because I don't think this was called a quiet fan. I think the smaller one was called a quiet fan. Oh, it does turn. So this button right here, it'll turn. I don't know if y'all can see it moving. But look at this. Can y'all see that? So it moves really slow. Okay, how do I? Okay, that's 1. Can y'all see? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one only goes up to 4, so this is the highest. What's this? You can put it on sleep mode. You can put it on auto. So we like that. So I'll play around with it. I mean, it's just a fan, but it'll look better in my room because that other fan that I have, y'all, is full and I'm fed up with it. So like I said, I've always wanted one of these and I finally got my hands on it. So I'll leave it in the description box. It does come in a few colors. I want to say white, gray, blue. If you guys have anybody in your family that loves to sleep with a fan, this would be a great gift. I think I got everybody in my family loving to sleep with a fan. My son sleeps with a fan. Ryan sleeps with a fan. I don't know if Kalila sleeps with a fan. I know she got a ceiling fan, but I'm not too sure if like she has to have a fan because she never asks for a fan when she's here. So, but we have a ceiling fan. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short and sweet vlog for today. If you haven't caught up on any of the other videos, please do so. YouTube don't really push them out like that. With Vlogmas, the views are always pretty low, but I'm okay with it, girl. We're just having fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got one more and then I won't see you guys until 2025. So I love you guys. I hope everybody has a great weekend and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.